So I hope it's going to be very soon. We're going to be done with flipping these battery chargers. It actually was getting a little warmer. Well, we're all good to go. This is the good news. There's good news and bad news. Good news, it's supposed to really be a nice day. Take a nice ride. Everything couldn't be better. But as always, there's bad news. We got up this morning, went out to Karen's vegetable garden, and everything that wasn't eaten yesterday was eaten today. So she's basically been nuclear warred out. So what happened is, one of our neighbors has a have-a-heart trap. We loaded it with peanut butter and apples and whatever. I'm not sure this is going to work. But Karen is really devastated by the fact that this groundhog, which we've had on video before, and I've chased him around the yard, and he's a big groundhog, he's eating Karen's vegetables. Now that can ruin your whole day. And this is not funny. I hate Groundhog Day. Everybody knows I hate Groundhog Day. This is Groundhog Day. Now Karen's really passionate about her garden, as you can imagine, as I guess we all are passionate. She's passionate about her artwork and her garden and her seedlings and everything. Just like I'm passionate about the motorcycles, the model planes, whatever. But the bottom line is, there's always these bad, and here's a good example. The first day we rode the FZR and had that little accident, had to do a lot of body work and repair and Bondo work. Well, that's part of motorcycling. That's nothing you can do about it. And the fact that we're still going to have to wait for Rob, I don't know when he's going to be available. He's really working hard though. Through his virus, he's really been one of the real heroes. But anyway, every day is different. And I know everybody knows I hate Groundhog Day. I hate waking up, and I've already lived this day. Come on, boys. Even though we're going to catch that groundhog, he can't get away with murder. We're not going to give him a lawyer when we catch him either. So the first thing we did, we put wire over the thing. That didn't do anything. So I'm not sure why. It was already gone by then, but we do have a heart trap. And it's full of goodies. I'm not sure. This is where he sneaks in. He sneaks in. There's a hole behind that tree. And what happened is last night, you can't make this stuff up. Last night, Stacy was here and she was delivering it was our anniversary yesterday, 29-year anniversary. And she delivered us a little flower which we planted in front of the house. And while she walked back here to see the garden, the groundhog was back here. She almost had a heart attack. So we did get to, well, we're going to find out. I'm not sure that's going to work, but boy, Karen was devastated. And you can see what's happened. She's probably lost, well, she's lost everything in this one. There's only a few, there was 30 plants in there yesterday, 2 days ago. Most of this is gone. This was eaten right down to the nubs. We'll see if this is going to work. And as I have every morning, it's a half hour of cleaning out the pond, watering, whatever. Farmer's life is not an easy one. So we're really hesitant to put our baby plants out there until we catch this varmint. I'm not sure we're going to catch them either, but and boy, the tomatoes, these are grown from seeds. We got a couple that they would be ready to put in the ground if we didn't have this groundhog issue. So maybe what we got to do, Karen, to catch this groundhog is make him a cup of windy coffee. Put a cup of coffee out by the have-a-heart trap. And come out, he's drinking coffee, but he's not in the trap. Healthy blueberries. I wonder if the groundhogs eat blueberries.
They probably do.
Probably do, huh?
We'll try that next time.
Well, I hope he's going to be caught soon, because I want to go plant the rest of the lower 40 acres. Well, all that's left is pre-flight the air coop here. Oh boy. Okay, we are pretty much, we just have to water plants and oogle. A 10-minute coffee and oogling, and we are on the open road, and hopefully while we're out, the groundhog will get caught in that trap. Now we're basically done oogling for the morning, and it's time. Get suited up and get out on the open road. So Karen always, before I leave, she gives me the latest weather report, which of course is 0 precip, and basically getting a little cloudier in the afternoon, but it won't matter to us at all. Listen to those birds, wow. My favorite landmarks along this loop. Check that tree out. That tree is older than me and probably in better physical condition. Just a heavenly day, not a cloud in the sky. Oh my God, what a day. Well, we have really lucked out with the weather here. How long is it going to be for coffee now? Is the coffee already on?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Oh, I gotta marry that girl. 30 seconds for coffee. I can't even make it that fast. I see the groundhog has not come out into our trap, so I guess our vegetables are in big jeopardy again. Yeah, we had a really nice ride today. Boy, oh boy, was that weather nice. And just an unbelievably beautiful day. Blue sky day. And now the fun begins after I get the leathers off, cleaning out the pond once again. The beautiful wisteria all winds up in the pond. So once again, we've had a great day, and of course thank you to all the people that are working in the hospitals, making this possible. And as I rode around today, I noticed how many people have put out those signs thanking the coronavirus workers. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you guys. Anyway, as always, our GS never disappoints. That's why I've had this bike since it's new. I'd have to figure out the mileage, but we're coming up on 70,000 miles on this. Still a lot of fun to ride. Makes my day complete. Now, the only problem is that groundhog is not making my day complete. So I don't know how this is going to play out, but I thought you'd enjoy sharing the adventure. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. And thanks for watching.